Welcome to this comprehensive guide on tips for GoHenry Allowances. GoHenry is a popular app that helps parents teach their children the value of money and responsibility by providing a safe and controlled environment for them to manage their allowances. First, it is essential to set a regular allowance schedule. This can be weekly or monthly, depending on your preference. Consistency is key to helping your child understand the importance of budgeting and saving. Next, consider setting tasks and chores for your child to complete to earn their allowance. This not only teaches them the value of hard work but also helps them develop essential life skills. GoHenry allows you to assign tasks and track their completion, making it easy to manage your child's allowance. Another crucial aspect of using GoHenry is setting spending limits and controls. This feature enables you to restrict where and how your child can spend their money, helping them make smart financial decisions. You can also use this feature to encourage your child to save a portion of their allowance. In addition to setting spending limits, it is vital to encourage your child to save and give back to their community. GoHenry offers a savings feature that allows your child to set aside a portion of their allowance. And you can also encourage them to donate to charity. To get the most out of GoHenry, it is essential to have open and honest conversations with your child about money management. Use the app as a tool to teach your child about budgeting, saving, and responsible spending. By following these tips and using GoHenry effectively, you can help your child develop essential life skills and a healthy relationship with money. Remember to stay involved and provide guidance as your child navigates the world of personal finance. With GoHenry, you can give your child the tools they need to succeed and set them up for a bright financial future.